Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. So on today's video I'm going to show you how to prepare rosemary tea leaves. So you may need fresh or dry rosemary. Make sure to store in a dry and cool place to maintain their freshness. So here we have sufuria. Boil your water. After boiling, chop rosemary leaves into small pieces to release flavor and aroma. You can use scissor or knife to chop your leaves. Add rosemary leaves, 2 tablespoons for fresh leaves and 1 tablespoon for dry leaves. Store them in water and wait for 5 to 10 minutes or more. So if you take rosemary tea leaves, it has a lot of health benefits. One is to improve digestion, 2 is to boost immunity, 3 is to enhance memory focus, 4 it promotes hair growth, 5 it supports eye health, and the last one and more boost liver functions. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.